Maverick Protocol. This has massive backers. Basically, the biggest backers they could possibly have in the crypto space are backing this project. It is a very low cap crypto with very significant volume for its size. And it looks like it's just started to move. Is this one that's about to have a bit of a substantial rally? We're going to take a look. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These were cryptos that I thought were going to do very, very well and we're going to make a lot of money, which is obviously why I showed myself buying them up. These were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into them. 100 into each would have been a $2,600 investment. In a little under 16 months, that would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand. Now, that's pretty good, but you don't have 16 months to get things sorted. We're in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy with the coins you own, fix it. If you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. So this is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members the cryptos I own. Whenever I find any coin that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price I'll be buying at. Whenever I sell, I do the same thing, so there's no work for my members. They are in and out of coins, same price, and they make the same profit. If you go onto my site, you'll see some of the profits the members have made, some of the successes that led there, like Phantom. Phantom in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. Myself, my members, we all got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. A bunch of my members became millionaires from that one investment alone. And if you want to find out the next big crypto, if you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out is join up on the site. Now, Maverick Protocol had a big surge today. Actually, it almost doubled in price in today. It's obviously pulled back since its initial rally. Maverick is buyable pretty much everywhere except Coinbase and Bybit. Now, if you're going to get it, I'd highly, highly recommend you use BitGet. The reason for that is BitGet has the best welcome pack in crypto right now. You can join up and get a $6,200 welcome pack with the link in the description. And definitely worth a look because, like I say, best welcome pack around. Maverick Protocol is a DeFi infrastructure provider. It's focused on increasing industry efficiency. So it's powered by Maverick AMM. And this is backed by Founders Fund, Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Binance Labs, Circle Ventures, Gemini, and more. I mean, that is a massive array of huge investors. They're trying to eliminate inefficiency from DeFi by helping users put their liquidity where it can do the most work. So it's building in 3 phases. One is capital efficiency. This is the launch of their the first dynamic distribution at AMM. Then you've got the liquidity incentivization efficiency. This is launched a launch liquidity shaping tool. And then you've got voting escrow, which is a VE model, which you've probably seen before. Now, Maverick Protocol is trying to become a pivotal player in the DeFi space. The AMM is at the core of everything that they do, which is designed to optimize the deployment of assets within DeFi. The system facilitates smoother and more efficient transactions, which addresses some of the liquidity challenges that we've seen in DeFi before. Obviously, some of the biggest investors in the industry have got behind this. Now, one thing that is worth noting with Maverick itself, so Maverick has been around for a couple of years. So heavy backing from when they launched, right? Now, it is worth noting, Jump is another name behind it, Spartan Group, another name behind it. But it's a way off when it first launched. Like a way, way, way off from when it first launched. Also, there's still 1.25 billion tokens to be released. Oh, did not mean to do that. So, in terms of the token unlocks, there are 55 million happening every quarter, effectively, from January of this year. There are smaller unlocks of 15 million or so tokens. Their team is really the only one that can dump, and they could dump, of course. But the big unlocks begin in January. Now, they're for early investors, for advisors. Now, given the enormity of the pullback that they've had, there's probably quite a lot of investors that are down on investment, so are probably going to be looking to sell. So actually, whilst this is quite an interesting premise as a project, and whilst this has unbelievable backers, I would have very real concern that this is going to have a massive price dump next year. And basically, it will begin from January, and then it will happen again in April, and then July. And that looks like a really fair concern to be having right now. Maverick itself has over a quarter of a million holders, which is a massive amount, and yet the price has obviously fallen off a cliff. Volume has been pretty good. Particularly, well, very, very good today, but in general, okay, not bad. Really, since kind of landing on Binance Alpha, really since being on Binance, the volume has been good, but all in all, I mean, this is a way off where it should be right now. Even with the backers, I'm kind of bearish on this. The price action has been piss poor, and you've now got a huge token unlock imminent. And is it massive? No, of course it's not massive. You're only looking at a couple $1 million worth. So there's a couple of questions here, really. Because the investors have about $1 million of that. But with the market cap of 24 million, $1 million worth of dumping can dump this price, right? Comfortably. But with the backers that they've got, and the backers are massive, let's not forget, will the backers that they've got push the price up? Is what we're seeing the beginning of the price being pushed up? Is what we're seeing just in the last kind of 24 hours or so, the beginning of the big backers trying to push the price up so that they've got a far better price before dumping in January or April or whenever next year. It's an interesting one. This is a good concept. It's an interesting idea, but with the long-term view of the price, combined with the fact that, again, token unlocks are imminent, I'm quite bearish on this. How are you feeling about this? If you're an investor, if you're one of the $250,000 that have invested, when did you get in? What are you hoping to see? Do you think maybe the big backer is going to start pushing the price up over the next few months? Are you fearful of the token unlock that is coming in January onwards? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But I'm bearish on this. I think this is going to struggle, particularly from January onwards. Let me know. And guys, we are in a bull cycle. And if you are sitting on coins you're not happy with, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price. And there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members all the cryptos I own. Whenever I find any coin that I think can do well, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the coin, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price I'll be buying at. Whenever I sell, I do the same thing. There is no work for my members. And if you go onto my site, you will see some of the profits my members have made. You will see some of the successes that led to those profits as well. Whether it was a meme coin my members and I got in on, lasted literally a couple of weeks. And in that time, it over 300x'd. Whether it is Phantom, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers, myself and my members, we got in at 0.5 cent. It went up to $3.46, just shy of 700 times our investment. All of this is public record, so you can verify it all online. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the coins that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle this year, all you got to do to find out is join up on the site, guys. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.